You only need two things for a mouth-watering meal: good ingredients and hot flames.
Audio Jungle.
You want tasty, flavorful meals? With the ASMOKE Pellet 8-in-1 smoker and grill. Infuse your food with a rich smoke-filled flavor using 100% all-natural applewood pellets. No additives, no fillers, just pure applewood taste. We make flavor authentic to its core. After you set the dial to your desired temperature, ASMOKE goes to work, fueling its massive two-tier cooking space. With the most optimal level of heat, the char grill, braise, roast, bake, smoke, or broil and barbecue your favorite foods to lip-licking perfection. ASMOKE features a smart temperature control system with a programmable meat probe. Whether you want hot and fast or low and slow, ASMOKE takes the guessing game out for the perfect cook. Its automatic pellet loading system and heat circulation keeps your meal at your desired temperature to ensure you turn out a perfect feast every time. And ASMOKE is designed to last. Its durable construction is the hottest and heaviest in its class. It's still easy to operate and even easier to clean. We guarantee you'll taste the difference our pellets make in just one meal. Join us in creating unforgettable experiences for all to enjoy. Because at ASMOKE, we put flavor first.